Welcome back to Distribute Production. This is Chin Lin and welcome back to my channel. Today's episode, we're gonna cover the subject how to generate fan art in Among Us. Among Us is a game that's going viral right now, and I've seen a lot of YouTubers and gamers playing it. I also see a lot of designers generate their art toward the subject. So today I'm gonna do the same by using three of my principles, and they are styles, visual, and unique. So in terms of style, I'm gonna generate realistic style. In terms of visual, I want to generate something spooky, something scary. And in terms of unique, I try to generate a art piece that doesn't run into other people's design. I try to generate my own originality. So those are the things I will cover in this video. And so before we start, like and subscribe, show huge support, and that's it. So let's jump right in. Welcome back, and this is the final rendering, and I hope you enjoy watching the process. So, is this guy the imposter? Maybe. We all know the imposter is supposed to be an alien slash shapeshifter creature, so of course we're gonna design a version out of this. So it will be on my near future videos. So for my next video, I will generate a CG version out of this. So it's gonna be a 3D scope. So if you like this video, I'm pretty sure you will like the next one. So before we go, thank you, like and subscribe. Until next time, this is Chen Lin signing out.